Hold on. Woo! Haley's going for a ride.
I'm not even throttling, I'm just rolling down the hill.
Mommy's gonna fall down the hill.
Bam!
Daddy's gotta slow down.
I'm not even throttling it yet. I haven't yet to put the throttle. Say bye, Mommy. Say Bubba.
Hi, baby. Slowly.
Bye, Mommy.
DJ. Bye. Come back this way.
I'll put it all around.
Record me and him next time.
Hi, Dylan.
Hi. Can you?
Yep. There's Haley. Haley's yelling at Mama. Hi, baby. Hi.
This is my first four-wheeler ride. Is it?
So it's kind of cool, huh? Mommy zoomed out too fast.
Not as cool as when Mom drives motorcycle.
Thank God that's not on video.
It's cool. You can't take corners slowly.
There's Uncle Dwayne.
That's hard.
Whee!
Driving it?
Don't you let her drive. She's too young.
Dylan.
Hi, baby. Look at you riding like a pro. You don't look so happy.
You recorded me and people now.
Yay! Hello, princess.
Bye-bye. Next time, when I get on her, after her, I'm gonna go.
CJ.
Just don't hit him in the
I just don't whack CJ in the head.
I'll be like, woo!
We'd be forced to laugh.
Yeah, really hard.
Yeehaw!
Crazy Dylan. Yeah, she won't keep it up. Can you try putting her hood up? Put her hood up. She doesn't like hats. There we go, yeah. Hold on! Whee! Mommy's getting dizzy going in circles.
Mommy can stop.
One more time around.
She's just giggling away.
Say hi, Mommy.
Hi, baby.
Bye-bye, Mommy.
Crazy kid.
That's what their dumb thing is for. It's a toy. That's all it is. It's a toy.
Me next. See how cold this is.
That's awfully far, Daddy.
It is cool.
Oops. He zoomed the wrong way.
You're doing fine.
Yeah, no, she seems to really like it. Is that a snowflake? Is there snow? Oh, yeah, me too. Haley!
a bug you left me.
Oh, was it? Okay, good.
Where's Mommy? Gonna get it.
Too dark off the
Ah!
Let's get Mommy.
Oh no! Don't run over Mommy!
Say hi, Mommy.
Hey, look at her teeth.
Bye, Mommy.
Dylan wants to go.
Alright, one more.
Alright, one more time around.
Then you're taping me.
Okay.
Are you keeping these recorded?
Yeah.
All-terrain vehicle right here. You don't need no roads. Where we're going, we don't need roads.
Yeah, you just keep saying that. Hey, Uncle Dwayne.
Hi, dear.
My Zoom finger slipped. There's old Ford. Here they come.
Look at that hair flying.
I'll take green.
Look at that hair.
Woo! Ah! Yummy, yummy!
Are you gonna see if he cried and coming out?
Yay!
Look at the teeth chatter. It's like, is it getting cold, you think? No, look at that hole going out.
We're never gonna get her off. Come here, baby. It's Dylan's turn.
Oh, nice and easy. Just a little bit. You got the idea. You get it. There you go. You're doing great, man. There you got it.
CJ's steering, right?
Coffee for me.
More?
Woohoo!
Alright, Joe. You got the idea. There you go. Nice and easy. Nice. Just squeeze it a little bit. There you go. You got it. Oh, what?
Bye-bye, Daddy.
Bye.
Okay. I know, isn't that sad? She's chasing Daddy down. Daddy ran away!